Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. A big snowstorm in 10 years. It's my old truck right there. I haven't done anything with it yet. Hit my driveway. That's the first stage. The first stage of it. Maybe later on another stage. There you go. Did my driveway. It goes this way. It goes this way. I did that. Right here. Yep. Here we go. Neighbor's house. There you go, down the street. All quiet. That's my neighbor Chris right there. I gotta go over there maybe later. Give him a hand. There you go. That's a pretty nice one. I love it. Yeah. There you go. I haven't been out to the main street yet. That's the main street down there. I haven't gone down there yet. I want to see how the roads are. Yeah, there you go, my other neighbor's house. There you go. There you go, that's our house right here. That's my driveway right there. There you go. Yeah. Maybe I'll go for a walk. There you go, not too far. There you go. Yep. There you go. I don't want to go too far. There you go. It's going to turn into sleet in a minute. Yep. Yep.